The Emily Couric Clinical Cancer Center is a place where patients can come for the best and most comprehensive in cancer care that's available anywhere, not just in Virginia, but beyond.
The diagnosis of cancer is highly stressful for both the patient and their families. And the journey after the diagnosis is long and difficult.
A cancer diagnosis is one of the hardest things to ever hear as a patient. It's a very difficult diagnosis, regardless of the odds, one way or the other. It's just a very difficult term to hear, a very difficult word to hear.
Emily Couric and Debbie Ryan were diagnosed within a few weeks of one another back in 2000. And each of them entering into cancer treatment immediately recognized how difficult a process it was to go through for both patients and families. And so they quickly teamed up to initiate a new program and to help provide funding support for that, to have a patient support services program in the UVA Cancer Center.
We would sit while we were getting chemo and being treated in the cancer center that is presently at UVA, talking about all the things that we would like to see in a cancer center. And of course we had some wild ideas and we threw out some crazy things, but the main theme of Emily's vision was that this be a cancer center that patients felt good about going to so that they could be treated. She was ready to build the building right that minute. She wanted that building up and she was going to find a way to do it. And so she put the seed out there and it grew and it grew and it grew, and here we are today. And of course it's named after Emily Couric, the person that really spearheaded this whole thing.
The Couric Center will enable us to pull together almost all adult cancer care providers under one roof, and patients will be able to get most of their outpatient care without leaving the building.
So they're going to have the best of everything right at their fingertips, all in one place. They don't have to go to another part of the hospital in order to have a patient treated from tip to toe, which is the greatest part of it. When you walk into that building, it's full of glass and it just opens up the world to you. As you walk down the hallway, there's a warmth to the building. The appointments in the building are incredible.
In designing the Couric Center, we had to take into account that patients come from all parts of the Commonwealth, and we didn't want it to be such an intimidating experience. Each floor is dedicated to a different geographic region of Virginia.
From the mountains to the beach, it's really an interesting way of putting the building together. But it's just the fact that it's going to help people that are facing a very difficult disease, and that's the thing that's probably the most incredible part of it, from Emily to the building itself, to the fact that you know that people are going to be cured in that building and treated with the utmost of respect, and that they're going to feel good about their treatment.
This building is but one piece in a complex commitment of the institution to provide patient care facilities, and we have new research buildings, new research space committed to cancer. So it allows us to not only deliver the current state-of-the-art, but it allows us to be very much a part of advancing the field that will impact patients well beyond the university and the Commonwealth of Virginia.